welcome to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make garlic bread. So the first thing you want to do is you want to preheat your oven to 375, and while that's preheating, we're going to start on our garlic bread. So what you're going to need for this are some sub rolls. What I did is I just took them and cut them in half. So I have two here, and then you're just going to need some butter, some fresh garlic that I just chopped really fine, and then I actually like to top mine off with some mozzarella cheese. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna take your butter, you're just gonna mix it in with your garlic. And I'm gonna have the measurements for you on www.thelazygirlskitchen.com because I'm kind of just eyeballing it. Just gonna want to make sure that they're nice and blended together. Just gonna take my knife, kind of smear it around. Right, so now what you're gonna do is you're just gonna take the butter, you're gonna put it on the slices of bread. How thick or how thin you want it, though, that's totally up to you. It's your kitchen. You are the boss of it, so you decide what you want. Okay. I have one. Ooh. Last one. Make sure we get everything out of here. Okay, so we have the butter and the garlic on the bread. And now we're gonna take some mozzarella. I'm gonna just finish off this baggie first. You're just gonna sprinkle it right on top. And you kind of decide too how much cheese you want to put on. I would say in total you'd probably want like 1/4 cup or so, but I also like extra cheese on mine, so I probably do like 1/2 cup. I eyeball it. Okay, so these are gonna go into your preheated oven for about 8 to 10 minutes or until the cheese is nice and golden and the bottoms of your sub rolls are kind of nice and golden brown. You just wanna make sure they don't burn. So you're gonna go ahead and put them into your oven and I will show you what they look like when they're done. Okay, so my rolls were in the oven for about 5 to 6 minutes, just until the cheese got really nice and melted. So you could see it's really nice and golden brown. I'm actually not gonna try this right now because I'm making a lasagna, so I'm gonna eat it with the lasagna. But you need to go over to www.thelazygirlskitchen.com to get this recipe and others. And you know what would be wonderful with this? A little sprinkle of fresh parsley, and you're good to go. All right, guys, have a good day. Bye.